me having to do a voiceover. Okay, so I'm gonna just talk you guys through the process. So right now I am focused on putting the books away. So what I'm doing, so I just built this piece today. I did it by myself. It's not perfect, but it would do. So I'm gonna put their learning books on this side, and then I'm going to put like the regular books on this side, and on this side will just be regular time books. So at Maddie's school they do the accelerated reader program, so she has to read a book every morning. So she doesn't go through the computer to read her books. She can read books on her own in the house as long as she's reading something for 30 minutes. So I want to put those books here so that way she has options and she has a variety of books that she can read on this side. So that is what I'm doing at the moment, and then we're going to move on to the next phase. So let's continue. Chick-fil-A, like, you know how Chick-fil-A kids meals, you get like a bunch of books. We have copies of these books, so I'm gonna throw all of these away because they're all stuck together, and these are like probably 3-4 years old. That just means we eat at Chick-fil-A a lot, which I'm not complaining at all about. So I'm done vacuuming. So what I want to do now, sorry I look a mess, y'all, but I couldn't look cute while doing this because I knew this is going to be an all-day process. So please forgive the look, but it's all good, right? It's all good. All right, so this side, so what I want to do is make this side the learning area. So I want to set up the I think I've mentioned to you guys that we have these rolls that have like letters and numbers and stuff. So I want to put those on this wall here. I wish I had like a frame that could fit them in there, just that way it doesn't look like posters but more so like frames. But I'll just have to maybe go to Hobby Lobby and try to get that. But anywho, so I want to like post those up here and then put Tristan's desk here, because we have this little desk here for both of them, but Maddie's getting tall, so she's unable to fit there. And then I want to put Maddie's desk here, but I'm thinking of putting it over there near the outlets. So I don't know, because she's gonna need an outlet for her computer and stuff, because I don't want her over there by the window, because our Wi-Fi, it's crazy because I have high-speed Wi-Fi. Like, I pay extra for Wi-Fi because the basic one here is super slow. With everybody doing virtual learning, everybody's home all day, it's slow, even with the high speed that I have. So I'm kind of mad about that. I think I should call my company and be like, look, okay. And so, but it's all good, it's all good. So, but I don't want her near the window because the Wi-Fi, the signal, I just want her to be like in close proximity of this area, but with an outlet. So I don't know, let me figure it out. And seasons and weather. So you have it vertically and you have it horizontally on this side, and then numbers, you have numbers right here, and then numbers again. So I'm thinking of just putting like, let me turn these off. Thinking like just putting them up here since we'll be working right here. And then, you know, we can say, all right, Tristan, what's this color? What's that color? Right? Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So once I start decorating the walls, then I'm gonna do that. But I think this setup is good because this can be me and Tristan's work area. And then this is the books right here, or the kids will come and get their books to read. Because like I said, the learning stuff's on this side, and then the regular books are on this side. I mean, we just have the one window, but yeah, her desk will go right there. And then I have a rug to put in the middle, and then this side will be the plate. 95% done, but I just didn't want to prolong the process and keep waiting until I got this and that, or wait until this or that was done. So I just want to show you guys the majority of what has been done so far, because what it looks like now is going to work. So I just want to show you guys how it looks now. So on this side, as you guys can see, this will be the learning area. So this is where Tristan and I will be doing our lessons and stuff, because before we were either doing it on the couch or on the bed or at the island. So it really wasn't a learning environment. So I want this area here to be for me and him, you know, to go over like, you know, numbers, ABCs and stuff like that. And this table right here, you guys can see he drew on top of it. But this is where we'll be doing our learning and our lessons together. And then of course we'll be pointing, you know, on the wall to the things and all that. So I do want to add something up here because I feel like it's a little too bare, but I don't know what exactly just yet, but we're gonna figure it out and I'll let you guys know what I do. All right, so in this area, this is the library. So as you guys can see, they have the books here. So like I said, these are just books to read. On this side, like just casual books, because I mentioned that Maddie, she's in an AR program, so they read books every day on a computer, or you can read a book on your own. So if she wants to come in here to do her AR lessons, then she can pick books here. And then on this side is the books for learning. Steelers ABC is down there too. But yeah, this is the learning side, like the educational books on that side. And then this here is educational, but you know, for his motor skills and all that. And he loves this toy. Even though he's 2 years old, he still loves this toy here that he got for his first birthday. All right, and then you guys can see we have our calendar. This is just to keep up to date with everything that goes on throughout the month. So Maddie's class schedule. So I'm gonna go on the class app and check to see when her gym class, because I know it's 3 times a week that she has library, counseling and all that. I mean, she knows it too, but just so we all can remember and like, oh, okay, she has gym on Wednesday and stuff like that. And just any events that we have going on for the month, we'll put it on there just so we can all look and see. And I got this from Home Goods. Everything that I bought and have in here, I'll link it down below just in case you guys are interested. And then we have a clock in here because we want to make sure that we know the time and we can keep track of everything that is going on. So then over here we have Tristan's toy box, because we really don't have a place to put it just yet, but the big guy did move it in here because I was going to put it in the closet, but he put it here and I was like, oh, okay, that's a good spot. I was going to put Maddie's desk here, but we're going to be transforming their room next, so we are going to keep her desk in the room just because, you know, that's her time to focus and stay, you know, focus on her schoolwork and everything. But yeah, but that makeover is coming next, so I'm super excited, yay. But so we are going to get a TV for in here. So we're going to take the TV out of Maddie's room and put it in here, but the big guy has to buy a mount for it, because you can see here we have the cable hook here in the outlets, so we can't like put it on a stand or anything. It has to be mounted over there. So that is what we're going to be doing and getting this sometime this week, I think. So yes, a TV is gonna go here, so that's why this wall is bare, but like I said, a TV is gonna go there. We're gonna keep Tristan's furniture in here because like I said, we're going to be giving them a makeover in their room. So we didn't want to get rid of his set or whatever, because this is a good set. Like, I'll link it down below, but I love this set because you guys remember in my nursery shared room tour on my vlogging channel, this is what I had envisioned for Tristan when he shared the room with us at our old house, and I just love it. So I just don't want to give it away or, you know, get rid of it right now. So it's perfect the way it is. I mean, it's not taking up too much room or anything, but it's all good. So here you guys can see the rug. So I got this from Marshall's, but I thought it was going to be bigger. Probably when you get the roll, it looks a lot bigger. So I thought that this was going to at least fill out this area, but it didn't. So I'm a little disappointed, but the kids love it. Like when they get on the floor, they go right on there. So I guess it worked out, but just know that I was trying to get a huge rug that, you know, the perimeters were a little bit bigger than this here. On this side, this is the quiet / reading area. So I have a little area for them to like sit, because they love hiding in this. So this is where they come to hide or come to read. Like, I actually caught both of them in here reading the other day when I was fixing in here. So this is just a little peaceful area. And then this ottoman here has toys inside of it, but it just kind of blends in with this whole aesthetic in this corner. And I was kind of, I didn't know how to angle it. I was trying to make it diagonal, but then I couldn't put this here. So it's kind of like, I don't know. Because of how it's faced, they'll be able to watch TV and all that. And then I changed the curtains. I put this here, I got this from Marshall's as well, and I just love it because it's simple and just looks really good up there. And then the pictures, it's from Home Goods. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, because when we had Tristan, the flu was really bad. I don't know if you guys remember, like a lot of people were unable to go into the hospitals and stuff like that. So Maddie and Tristan couldn't get birth photos together. So I tried to find like pictures of them, you know, when they were young, like young when he was first born. And then I think he was about 7 months, 8 months. No, it was like 6 or 7 months. But this is like one of my favorite pictures of my babies. Like, I just love that picture. And this one here, they're Steelers gear. Like, I just love my babies. Here is the toys and stuff. So there are Legos in this, cars, no, so there are Legos in here, stuffed animals in here, cars in there. So, you know, when they're ready to play, they could just throw, I'll make it a mess. But then when it's time to go, it's time to clean up, they put all the stuff back in there. I'll be teaching Tristan, but I'm also be teaching Maddie as well. So we'll still be doing arts and crafts and fun stuff here and there. And, you know, it's just like a little chalkboard to do those things on there as well. And then we have a basket just to put his Hot Wheels, because he's really into Hot Wheels. His track and stuff's in there, and part of it is in the toy box as well. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. So I love how it looks, and it's just perfect for them. And you know, I just hope that they make the best of it until we can get a bigger and better playroom. But for now, like I said, we just have to make the best of it. And I'm just grateful that they have a room where they can come, make a mess, have fun, watch movies. So like I said, once we get the TV, they'll be able to watch stuff, and that's that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any suggestions on what I should do or what I should add, let me know as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.